What's going on, everybody? Carrie here with Country View Landscape. I got Carrie over. She's getting some final measurements in. We are on our next water feature. We got triple basalts going in this corner here. The water feature's going in that square. Here's my extra liner for my, it is a basin. You can see the right there. I'll show you in a minute. But I got my bib liner for the outside for the extra splash. But here's our zone. So I got this block going in. They bought this kit at the sales event that Aquascape did. We're already centered from house, sidewalk, deck, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna start digging that out. Easy peasy. What's going on, everybody? Final reveal here. We are running. Lights are on. Got lights on top. We got lights around the outside here. Plants are in. Access boulders. London mist on the outside. Mexican pebbles on the inside, along with the blue random place boulders, hiding the lights and just giving it a good appeal here. Came out real nice. These these hostas in the back are those big leafy ones. They'll get huge, very, very big. Those will be pretty on that side. Her main viewing point is right here, so that was our main focus, is to see it from there first before passerbyers and all that good stuff. Gonna be sweet. What do you think, pup? Very cool, very cool. Check out these seating reviews. Just have a seat here. Very cool. This is gonna be sweet. A lot of cool viewing points. This will be my chair. This will be my chair. Not bad. Get to listen to that. It's got cool sound, good splash going over the top. The lights are going to be very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. I'm playing with the pups while Carrie's working. It looks cool.
That's solid ice.
Yeah. That's awesome.